I have a plan in place for when we secure the neural matrix. I'll hack the local net, override its defense systems, turn the whole stadium hostile. We'll slip out in the chaos.
But how many would die?
They'll die so we can survive. Live.
I managed to simulate the mainframe's native environment, the bunker. It'll be ready for the access codes in a moment.
Listen, V. All hell breaks loose in 2 minutes. When Hansen flatlines, we haul ass. I'll block access to this room. Alex and Reed are minimizing risk and exfilling early via the route.
Here she is, in all her glory.
Oh, and don't worry about us. Got that sorted already. Check stadium blueprints, know which way to run.
So, shall we?
Ready. Linked. Is the connection clear?
1,000th of the decimal. It'll have to do.
Time to get wet.
Actuating the mainframe.
I see. It's responding.
Stay sharp. Almost open for input.
V, thank you. Really. Thank you for being here.
Just a little more. Okay, your turn. It's ready for the access codes.
Relax, Somi. We're almost there. Home stretch.
The neural matrix.
Kurt, we have a problem. No, I can handle the one down here. Really expected this to work?
Somi! You don't know what you're doing.
Oh, but I do know me. Doing what I have to survive. What? What?
It's working, V. Icebreak is getting through.
Why? Why are you doing this?
Trying to save Somi. Who she is. Blackwall's eaten your mind.
Nothing. You understand nothing. Too basic.
What?
What the hell's going on?
You killed Alex.
No, V. You did. Her death.
All this is on you.
All units, all stations. Fence in the compound.
Holy shit. Feels like I fell down an elevator shaft.
And you
Everyone to the lab. Shut down that door.
felt like I shattered into a million pieces. And this thing is got put back together. Shit can make you go psycho.
Well, it did hurt.
My head.
Fire for support.
V, talk to me.
Somi. She fought back. Reach past the black wall.
What the fuck? What happened?
Lost control. Alex is gone.
Alex.
My eyes, look to work.
Dogtown Alpha Hound my ass.
Thank you, V. That was for Alex. Move it, V. Situation's heating up. Get in!
Drive!
Let's roll! Hold tight! Someone shot me!
Okay. I need a sit rep. Alex is dead. Songbird is flown. It could still be her in there, or what? Some kind of rabbit AI? Fuck.
Reed will find her. A cyber psycho on that scale won't go unnoticed in the city.
You're right. Finding her is priority one. Where? Could be anywhere. Best check NCPD scanner for chatter. If Somi's been spotted, they'll know.
An Omega class
Will.
target. I repeat, Omega class target. Max TAC is inbound.
All units. Max TAC is on the scene. Stand down. Repeat, stand down.
Look, AVs. Max TAC.
NC Police? In Dogtown?
Everybody's willing to make an exception for Max TAC when you got a cyber psycho on your doorstep.
They're looking for Somi.
We're following him.
Max Tech? Don't tell you mean to fight him.
No, but we need to know what's going on.
Target is Omega class. I repeat, Omega class target at large. Max TAC is en route.
That's her.
She's completely
Max
lost
TAC in
control.
position. Eyes on target.
This ain't good.
Hold your fire. Target exhibiting strange behavior. She's on the ground. Appears to be unconscious. Target secured.
There's one thing left for us to do. Madam President, I have news.
Tell me.
We're burned, for now at least. The Songbird is in NC police custody.
I have no sway with the city government. This is your problem to fix, Reed.
Understood. I'll get her to landing.
And remember, I want her alive.
Langley? Thought the plan was to ask a few questions, help her get home.
Well, pretty tough to talk the way she is now. Weren't you paying attention? There is no second option. Right now, she belongs in federal custody. They can still help her, and you.
So, what do we do now?
We get to work. Get on the holo. I'll do the same. We make calls to whoever comes to mind. Find us a net runner you trust. One who's capable of getting inside NCPD systems.
You're in luck. Running the net's what I do.
Your field experience is rich and it'll be valuable here. I mean, a dedicated runner jacked into a full rig. Data forts in their sights, the works.
Reed, we'll get her back.
I know.